Welcome back to Nice's Nest. Christmas is definitely in the house. And one of the other things I'm working on is I am focused on creating a beachy Christmas centerpiece. We are recently back from a trip to Myrtle Beach, and one of my favorite things to do is go seashelling. And I mailed my seashells home, and I'm going to use them in this centerpiece. I'm going to keep them safe. Here is my bag of souvenirs that we're going to put to use. And all I'm going to do is create layers between the bulbs and the seashells. I'm going with the blue and then the whites and the creams. I'm just playing out the colors I'm seeing in the seashells. And to finish it off, I'm adding my star.